Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you on how to add the brands or view the brands that you have added in OneCart. First, under OneCart Inventory, go to View Inventory and click on View Brands. You are able to see all the brands that you have added in OneCart on this page. You're also able to download a CSV file of all the brands by clicking on this CSV button. To add a new brand, simply click on this green button, Add New Brand, and add the brand that you like to have in OneCart. This is one way for you to be adding a brand in OneCart. Another way is for you to use our bulk upload feature by going to OneCart Inventory, Add Inventory, Bulk Upload. Upload an Excel file or a CSV file. Be sure that the file has the brand column all filled up. Once you have done so, select the file that you would like to upload. And ensure that the brand is assigned to the correct column. Once that is done, click on Next. And here you are able to review the SKUs that you'll be adding to OneCart together with the column of the brand. Once you have reviewed, everything looks okay, click Start My Import. To check whether your bulk upload is successful, click on Bulk Import. Click on Bulk Upload, and you are able to see if the upload was a success. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at hello@lekmantech.com. Bye-bye.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.